save mo 2 trillion, eh nabayad mo sa utang natin na 13 trillion, o di magiging 11 trillion na lang. And so on and so forth. In 10 years, ubos yung utang natin. Wala na tayong utang. Pero hindi eh. Sige-sige corruption. Sige-sige. And here we are stuck with a government that is not addressing corruption. Mamanahin yan ng future generations ng Pilipinos. Susunod, anak mo, apo mo, lahat yan. And then, the new crop of politicians, ganun din. We walked into it. Parang si Reyes, I walked into it. Merong pabaon. Eh ngayon, sasabihin ng mga congressman na, ay masarap pala dito. Liquidation by certification. Kung 2 million buwan-buwan, pipirma lang ako, honorable naman ako eh. Is that fair to the Filipino people? Is that what you want? Yun yung tanong. Ako hindi. Hindi, ginagago nyo kami. Eh,